it comes to equipment, hours is a huge thing. Keeping track of the hours and keeping track of what we did to those machines, it's huge. We used to do that all by hand. We don't do that by hand anymore. Here, it's all in one. I just click on that machine number, it gives me an entire history, it tells me anything I want to know about the machine. You could actually see what that machine cost you per year. Did it make money or did it lose money?
Well, with using 360 and the tracking of equipment hours, the PM process is a lot easier. To be able to manage your work orders, understand your fleet, get the repairs done, looking at what mechanics have for open work orders, work in progress, keeping completed work orders up to date and clean. It's a tool that you can plan your day, week, months.
Prior to 360, we used to use Excel. And I would take the numbers that came out of the field, that came in through paper, then I would have to go into that spreadsheet and put it in there. If you're not looking all the time, you have huge trouble, because that machine's gonna fall right through the cracks. In 360, that can't happen. Even if you invert numbers, if it's not right, there's no way to mess that up. So the one thing that it absolutely does is keeps track of our hours perfectly.
Three most important functions I use on 360 would be create work orders, review time cards, or view the equipment history of the machine. Before E360, we used to lose work orders. It was like, poof, be gone. Before we even had 360 a couple of years ago, we had time card sheets like this. It was archaic at the best, if anything. Guys would call in and say, Cole, I need this, I need that. I'm like, did you write it down? No, I didn't write it down. Well, brother, I need the time. I need it.
We've struggled in our shop for years with different products. You know, being able to bring the meter readings in from Fueler Plus was a real boon, because you can set up all your maintenance schedules, and alerts come up after so much time for maintenance and everything.
360 works hand in hand with heavy job. In heavy job in the field, when a superintendent puts information into heavy job, that comes right back around into 360.
Say an old problem comes up, and we can check that old work order, if it was pictures made or the work notes the actual mechanic made, and see if it actually was done correct.
We first started mechanicking, we had tremendous amounts of paperwork that we had to carry around with us to do inspections and walk-arounds and maintenance. 6 to 8 months ago, we were introduced to Equipment 360, and all of this information has been narrowed down to a tablet.
We look at 360 as far as cost categories and where we spend our money and what the biggest expenses are for repairs, and understanding what the history has been for the repair.
Me, E360 is very helpful. It's a informative tool. I can pretty much use it anywhere I need to go. If I need to be in the field, I can go to the field.
360 has really made it easy to come out, diagnose problems, and enter the information with ease. It's just a really great tool to use. It's really easy to walk yourself through.
It's made it so much easier to manage. Everybody else has more time to do other things,
This information that the mechanics put in there through their pads, it's a one-stop shop. It's where I can go to find everything that I need for that particular unit.